Jai Hind, my dear students. In this video, plants around us, we will learn about different types of plant. Okay, as in the previous video, we have learned the parts of plant. So we will revise parts of plant. Number one part of plant is root. Then comes stem. Then branches. Then bud. Then flower and fruits. Okay, so these are the different parts of plant, and I have told you their functions also in the previous video. Okay, so today we will learn about different types of plant. Okay, what we will learn? We will learn about different types of plants. So as you all know that we live on this earth, okay, and we need air or oxygen to live on this earth. Okay, so for that what we need lots of plant around us, lots of trees around us. What these trees do with us? These trees provide oxygen so that we can breathe and live on this earth. Okay, so we have different types of plant on this earth. Okay, so what are those? Number one, we have trees. Then we have shrubs. Then we have herbs. Then we have creepers. And last, we have climbers. Okay, and some plants also grow in water. We can say them water plant. Water plant. Okay, so these are the different types of plant. Okay, so we will learn about them. Number one is trees. What are trees? ठीक है, अब आप तो ये कहोगे कि all these plants are same. Now what is the difference between each of them? So each plant are different from each other. Okay, so how they are different, that is what we are going to discuss. Trees. What are trees? Trees are very big plants. Trees are very big plants. Okay, and they have strong stem. Okay, and stem is also called trunk. Okay, so these are the very big plant. Okay, for example, you must have seen mango tree, peepal tree, okay, and many more. Okay, so these are the very big plant which have trees. Stem means trunk. We also call it trunk. Okay, जो मजबूत होता है, बिल्कुल strong होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है? Okay. And for example, I will explain this thing with the help of example. We will draw mango tree. And you also have to draw mango tree in your notebook. Okay? So this is the trunk. Okay? This is very hard. And we can't even break it. Okay, this is the mango tree. And here we have mango. So this is the mango tree. Okay, and you have to draw this tree in your notebook. And the second tree I will draw is peepal tree. Peepal tree. Peepal tree is also same like mango tree, but leaves are different. Okay, and its function is different. This tree, mango tree, provide us fruits like mango to eat, and peepal tree gives us more and more oxygen. Okay. So this is trunk. Okay. Now peepal tree is more bigger than mango tree. Okay, this is the peepal tree. Draw this tree in your notebook beta and color it also. Okay. Okay. Now this is the trees. We are talking about trees. Okay. Now trees are big plants and have strong stem. This is we call stem. Okay. These are very strong. Okay. Now the second plant we will learn about shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs also perform the same activity. It also gives us oxygen. Okay, but plants are different. How? Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay, shrubs are smaller than trees. For example, you can take rose plant. Okay, rose. Okay, rose plant comes under shrubs. Okay, and there are many plants which also comes under shrubs like tulsi plant. Okay, and we have tea plant. So all these plants comes under shrubs. Okay, so I will draw rose for you. Make a pot. You have to draw a pot. Okay, like this, and color it nicely. Okay, then this is the rose plant. This is rose. These are the leaves. Okay. Okay. So this is the rose plant, and you can draw more shrubs plant like tea plant. Okay, and you have tulsi also. Tulsi also comes under the shrubs plant. Okay, so the two things we have covered, that is trees and shrubs. Now trees are big plants, whereas shrubs are small plants. Okay, trees have very strong stem. Okay, whereas shrubs have woody stem. Okay, the third thing we will learn about herbs. Now what are these herbs plant? Okay, herbs plant are smaller than shrubs. Okay, herbs are small plants with golden shrubs plant, okay, and they have soft green stem, okay. For example, mint plant, spinach, okay, spinach मतलब होता है पालक, ठीक है. So these plants comes under herbs plant, and you can see grass also. So we will draw grass. Grass is easy to draw for you also, okay. So this is the grass plant, okay. You have to draw it and color it with a green color, because grass are almost green in color, okay. Do green color, okay. Then we have I will draw spinach for you. Second example is spinach. Spinach is also easy to draw, okay. You have to make a big leaves like this. Now you will ask me, what is spinach? Spinach is palak, okay. Palak you must have eaten with palak paneer, okay. And so this is the spinach, and these leaves are green in color, okay. This is also easy for you to draw, okay. So these are the different types of plant. So we have covered one more, that is herbs. Now we have creepers, climbers and water tree, okay. So just have a look on this, okay. And you have to draw mango tree. If you want to draw people also, you can draw rose, you can draw grass, you can draw spinach, okay. And rose comes under shrub plant, okay. The next plant, the next tree I am going to tell you about creepers, climbers and water tree, okay, my dear students. So three things I have explained you, that is trees, shrubs and herbs. I hope you understood it very well. Now I am going to tell you about creepers, climbers and water plant, okay. So the fourth one is creepers. Now what are creepers plant? Okay, like other plants, like other have woody stem and strong stem, okay. But these plants do not have a very strong stem, okay. So these plants, creepers, creepers grow along with the ground. ग्राउंड के साथ क्या होते हैं, ग्रो करते हैं, ओके. नाउ you must have seen many plants which grow along with the ground. For example, pumpkin. Pumpkin means कद्दू. कद्दू का प्लांट जो है वो ग्राउंड के साथ ही उगता है, ओके. So I will make pumpkin for you, and you also have to draw pumpkin. Now it has different leaves. pumpkin, and you have to draw pumpkin in your notebook. Okay? Pumpkin. Very good plant, na? Very good. So this plant comes under creeper tree. Okay? Now we will learn about climbers. Climbers are same as creepers, but they have a slightly different way to grow. Okay? So the fifth one is climber. Climb का मतलब, as you know, the meaning of climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Okay? So what these plants do? These plants grow along with the wall, with the help of wall or with the help of stick. Okay? Or with other plant also. With the help of other plant. They take help. Okay? So that they can stand, they can grow along with them. Okay? But they prepare their own food. Okay? So climbers are climber plants grow with the help of wall, or you can say stick. Okay? Now, for example, you have eaten this fruit of this plant, that is grapes. Okay? Grapes plants. Okay? And you have eaten grapes, and nowadays grapes are also there, right? So we will draw grapes plants, and you have to see how I am drawing, and you have to draw in your notebook also. Okay? So I have made this stick so that the grapes plant can take help. Okay? This is the plant. Okay? These are the leaves. Okay, so this is the grape plant. You can draw also how to make grapes. It is very easy to make grapes. You just have to circle like this. Okay, now your grapes are ready. Okay, and these are the leaves. Okay, so this is the grapes plant. You can draw in your notebook. Now what is left? Only one plant is left. That is, we can say, water plant. Okay. Now what are water plants? So water plants. Okay. So as the name itself suggesting water. Water means those plants which grow underwater. Okay. Now there are many plants which grow underwater. Okay. For example, lotus plant, lily plant, okay, and algae. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is algae? Algae जो है पानी के अंदर होती है, which are green in color. Okay, you must have seen it. Okay, so now I will draw water plant for you. Okay, so water plant. Now what will be the definition of water plant? Those plants which grow under the water. example, lotus, lily plant. Okay, so I am going to do lotus for you. So I will draw lotus for you. Okay, as lotus is easy to draw, you just have to make petals like this. Okay, then different petals from here. Okay, like this, and from here also same petals. Okay, and from here you have to draw a stick. Okay, so this is the lotus and it is very easy to draw. You can do color here, pink color you can do white color also, because we have white lotus. Okay, now water lily is also same like this. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just like this, we have water lily. Okay, this is also grow under the water. Now in the same plant we have drawn two things, that is lotus and then water lily. Okay, so I hope you understood all the different types of plant. So we have trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers, and I have told you that how they are different from each other. Okay, and draw these plant in your notebook also, and color them, and learn their names and try to know what are these plants and how they are helpful for us. Okay, now I will meet you in the next video of mine. Thank you and Jai Hind.